Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you want to personalize, mark info and click on edit. Mark the profile picture icon and you can choose something from camera gallery or camera, you can grab a picture right now or smoothly pick something from your gallery. Let me choose, for example, this photo. You can customize it however you like. Tap on done and click on save to apply the change. So that is all. From now on this picture is assigned to this contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.